Ideas from the title, I'm sure you'll be wondering how this is a failed shawarma recipe. So stay with me, watch this video so that you can understand why this is a failed shawarma recipe. Well, I hope from the clip you're seeing now you can guess, but just stay with me, okay? This is a chicken shawarma recipe, and the first thing I did was to cut up the chicken breast. So normally some people would actually fry the chicken breast before shredding it, but I don't like anything shredded. So I just passed all of these, and you may want to take a screenshot if you need the details for this. So in a pan, I put in some oil, and my baby sister helped me do the frying. So she just stirred it, kept on stirring until everything was golden brown. So for the sauce, I mixed mayonnaise, ketchup. I do not like ketchup. An alternative is barbecue sauce. Then I used some milk, some honey. This was very tasty. So all I used for the cream just got displayed on the screen, and they're also going to be in the description box. So I do a lot of mixing because I don't like mayonnaise, I don't like ketchup, I don't even really like barbecue sauce, but some barbecue sauce can be tasty, so I tend to do a lot of mixing. Next thing I did was to mix part of the cream with cabbage and carrots, and I set everything aside. Now, to the reason I think this is a failed, well, not a failed shawarma recipe, but a failed shawarma wrapping, is that I am actually good with wrapping the shawarma, right? But for some reason, this one just did not want to wrap. I don't know how it happened or why, but I do think that this was the first time I got the shawarma bread from this particular supermarket I went to, and all the shawarma breads were like in the fridge. I don't know if that was the freezer compartment or just the fridge, but it was very cold. Like, we got it very cold, and normally where I get it from, it's usually not cold, it's just out there you get. So anyway, I think that that's part of the reason why it was very difficult for me to do a lot of the rolling. So I had to do like smaller shawarma wraps, and overall it was very tasty. It was so good. Aside the wrapping, this was very delicious. Every detail you need to know is in the description box, and I'll answer any questions if you have any in the comment section. Okay, let me know if you like to buy shawarma or if you like to make it at home yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.